Hello everyone, today we will draw Patrick Star from SpongeBob SquarePants. Step 1, we have to draw the guidelines. You have to focus on the shape. You can see it's a triangle, and on the bottom it's like an opposite triangle, but it doesn't go all the way. And then I'm going to draw these guidelines. It's for the eyes, and another guideline on the bottom for the mouth, other guideline for the eyebrows, and then another guideline for the pants. Now step 2, we are going to draw in the details. I started with the mouth, and then the two ovals for the eyes, and then in the middle we have to draw small circles, the black part, and then the eyebrows. And after that I'm going to draw the shape of his head. It's round, not triangle. It's a triangular shape, but we have to make it round. And then his belly. And the bottom part, the swimming pants. And the side, his arm. And I'm going to draw in the pants. Okay, and now we have to erase the guidelines. Let's get rid of them. And then we are going to draw legs of Patrick. Then erase unnecessary lines and fix a little bit. And then we have to draw the belly button and the other arm and the shapes in the bathing suit. The stripes. And once you're done, what we are going to do is, okay, we are done. We are going to redraw, and we are going to do it by outlining it with color. You can see in the original painting, you can see that the outline is in hot pink. So I'm drawing hot pink. Drawing with hot pink. And some parts are black, so for those parts I'm going to use black. There's black. I'm going to redraw the black parts, the eyes first, and the inside of the eyes, and I'm going to color those in later. And then, okay, and the mouth, belly button, and the swimming pants, the bathing suit, which is green, and the shapes. The shapes are purple color, dark purple, so I'm going to outline it with dark purple. There. And now, step 5, let's color. Okay, we are coloring the skin, and now inside the bathing suit, and then we're going to color in the eyes. Okay, we're almost done. Now what we have to do is adjust a little. Let's fix and correct the things. There's some lines that are protruding. You can erase that like that. And that part too, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. But if you want to make it better, the more time you put in, the better it will get. And spots on Patrick's body. And now corrections, you can do that by erasing or adding some parts. Okay, you can see my drawing has the mouth a little higher than the original, so I'm going to draw it again below and erase it. And there, I'm deleting. I'm going to delete that part after I draw the mouth. There, I'm deleting it. Now it looks a little similar, but the shape is a little different, so I'm going to change the shape a little again of the mouth. That doesn't go up that much, right? So I'm going to make it go back down, like that. But the lines are a little weird, right? So I'm going to paint it with his body color a little bit, leaving the little lines, and then follow it. And then there, it's nice and neat, right? That part, black part, I'm erasing. Okay, that's done. Thank you for watching.